guys, this is Satoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Touchable Mama page. You can also see me on Touchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Lolo Anu just bought a house. As social media buzz everywhere to social media. Buzz. Monica comments. Monica scatter ground. Everybody, so many people were sagging Lolo, say she not buy a fake blah blah blah. Okay. Now, I just did the watch. I watched it on everyone. Go reach bloggers with the blogs, with the talk. A lot of you all beneath cyberspace. That's a little update. They leave Frank marriage. They go to saga Lolo. You got going with you. My marriage is topping is topping the internet for beneath cyberspace. We not live my honorable marriage. My honorable marriage. My one-room marriage, now go to talk on that thing. That's the way buy house. Who buy house? That's the buy house. Why would they stress nothing? Lolo buy house is buy house. He give you a proof. What you now want? I don't understand. They give you what I buy Lolo. Lolo do he give you a proof. He give you a high intense support the family. Which of that thing I want? He don't understand. Let's call it speed. I don't like Lolo. Lolo insult me and my beautiful wife. Say the woman where they used to, my fellow Aduro don't used to we. Let me go marry. Can you imagine? Lolo underrated and insulted my wife. Imagui, I not call a put. Commit of first insult. Insult that year, abolori your husband. That will be like it's a sewe. Madam will be like a sewe. But I don't call a put. If you insult my wife, no problem. But let's call it speed. Let's say it the way it is. With the proof when Lolo bring out. Lolo has already bought a house. Legitimately. She buy a house. Why not the saga her? I don't understand. All I want to see from you people is congratulations. Like our beautiful sister, Monica. Monica buy a house according to her. Now she knows she buys. Me not know, me not sure. I not still believe, even up till now, I never believe say Monica buy house. So she says she buy house, no problem. Congratulations to Monica for buying house. At the same time, congratulations to Lolo with all the proof we Lolo bring. My sister, lovely, beautiful sister, Monica, Atuwari, wait, buy house. You're gonna give us fridge. See this fridge with us. Now this kind of fridge when Monica go they bring in receipt they give us as half receipt. What are we saying? What's the problem? Who they live fake life? We're not supposed to know. Who they honest? Who they sincere? We're not supposed to know. There's no problem why you do. I'm not a year school. They see here. Do a man year school. Well, we are trying to use a microscope. You have alphabet. So, what is your problem? 30,000 pounds. Is it a beans? No, be beans. It's close to 40M or 50M. What are you saying? You don't understand. Wow. This is just a simple mathematics. Lolo dowa. What congratulate Ena saga. And Monica dowa. What they congratulate for the fake life house he built. No problem. Because what's in that time? Monica vie benorie haladian. We ego ebo wana. First of all, oka vie be Holland ladian we ebo wana. Ahu ya soy. Ona we do vie be na ya endorse organic cream ladian we ebo wana. Onto highness or si bane. Ahu ya soy. At the end wrong, ona ya vie be refrigerator, be fridge no mama go. Ona we vie ladian we ebo wana. Ahu ya soy. So what is the problem here? Here, Ivan Kenya Namigbi, Gia Saga Egbi is their own cup of tea. When really I did Monica, then I own. Oh yeah, happy pity family. Congratulations. I just achieved. What I achieved? No, or I give okay. When I want to know when I see you. I don't hate any of them. They are beautiful women. They are married women for credit loud. But at least let's say the way it is. It might hurt anybody. You understand? The Bible, Boka, Monica, why are you seeing it? All in his way, or not? Baby Vela, I want Vela fake. He's still with Baby Vela. You understand? But right now, the latest landlord on town now is Lolo. I know it's just a long nipple and long match. Man, I what they talk. Laptop in everywhere. I had to wait. Look for body. Alright. Oh, a sound system. A missile. You understand? No, we know the quarrel. I just got beg now. We not quarrel. We not fight for this matter. We will cure on the way to. Ladies and gentlemen, let us put our hands together for the latest landlord and landlady in town. I know it just said. What's the thing that my name be normal? I don't know the husband name. I don't know the husband name. He is the latest landlord. One guy tell what? Monica tell me what? Ovi no, ovi coffee no, whatever you tell me no. It no matter. I will celebrate no matter. For this one we don't see. Lolo, you are top. You're winning. You're doing well for yourself and for your family. Congratulations to you. A big congratulations to you. It's the truth. And not because you insult me. Monica cannot insult me for my marriage. Monica Mathieu bomb me my guy. You not insult me. But you insult me. You insult my lovely wife. We know they will do saga. But that one not a problem. If you like anybody is about to insult me, come and be rank with me na wako. And my wife will collect all these beats we don't beat people. Fine. But this is your own case. I will talk on the way it be. My sister, you try. God bless you. God bless your home. You understand? For the things where you show for media alone. This one I'm saying, Lala, go bring receipt, you go to bring refrigerator. Lala, go bring receipt, you go to bring popcorn receipt. Lala, kudos to you, you try. For real, yeah, I'm going to talk about you try. We are, how do we frack about Zono? Mama coming, a matter of 19. But there's one thing you guys should understand. There is one thing you guys should understand. And don't way, no car say when we not in here. In this social media cyber beneath space where we did, competition don't evolve. First of all, give kudos to Monica. Monica started this house buying things in UK between the both of them. And Lolo copy from Monica. Whether Monica buy, Monica rent, Monica live fake life, and Monica got someone here, or else they will Lolo not there. Who never argue about this one? It can make a lot of havoc where this whole competition starting from Atuari, Monica, where the color. You understand? That is where I run my things. And not somebody can back person now. Because very soon now you see you say Lolo don't ban that car. That car still pass the Vela. Because they are doing competition is competition. You understand? Just like me and Enogi. The same thing they worry me and Enogi. I was for the equally was Rose for UK. My Rose for Europe. Me now don't marry. Enogi want to do competition, want to lose me marry, me do one marriage. Marriage and marriage. The same certificate will give for your home. Now they still give me. So what is your problem? But you need to give me respect because I am your senior. Now me open the road for you to start marriage. The same way Monica open the road of buying house to Lolo. So no discrimination between the both of them. The other thing between our sister, they use all the dribble, they dribble us. If they dribble us, they live fake life, they dribble us, but they give us free receipts, they give us a dozen receipts, but they give us a whole lot of receipts. Give us the clear say, see, I buy house to see the receipt. Clear, nobody want to collect the house in your hand. Simple. Somebody like you in your pay slip when you come post for social media. Yes, Kate. No, Kate not join. We will remove Kate, mama. Kate not there competition with anybody. Kate is just doing her own, clearly. Kate is doing her own well. You understand? So let's kill it the way it is. That case now big girl now. Case not be their mate now. Case not be their mate. So not be joke. Fuck. See, make I tell you no one thing we don't know. Very fast, see baby. The truth is that these two women are known on media. That's because for news and they are not for news. Kate now that coded bastard, coded rich woman on code. She be when you come full herself on media. You understand normally. So she just go place, come back. She can't learn lesson. I will maybe rule. She can't go code herself. You understand? Kate now bastard rich woman. We are doing now codedly. But you see these two women are there for the now as we speak. See, Monica, Mangri, me you enter us. Now they use your all those congratulations to meet the inconvenience people with the author. For the now, Lolo they celebrate. Enjoy with her celebration. Celebrate with her. Don't be a diabolic woman. You understand? If you see, as I did so, if I see my enemy celebrate, I celebrate them. If you don't want to debate, do your things normally. Not this poor person name. I know, say for your own time, they fire you, they saga you a hand. Why will a bonica one them do what Yagli Bay? I think a lot was it was a bad head to Bonica. He go rich the toilet, little of you. Come on. Now, Lolo, congratulations to you. Why are they congratulating you? Because you give us legit proof to show, say, yes, you are a landlady. You are a husband, is a landlord in UK. Even though you never do okay, you see the okay, you are a spy. Monica, tell us you want to buy second house for UK. Now, only kitchen, now with the sea. For good 1 year, Monica tell us, say, Wahala, where they go, oh, we never see the bedroom. Now, only kitchen with the sea. Fake life. What Adam is heavy, you know, you can have that's what name my woman like him because I cure and the way it is be. Ye more up by what having no G. I mean, you go be a one. Because I know what I was here, a lot of it here, or we go to transfer the bad for £30,000 or my tick ye bad coin or walking here. You are a good wife, or who know that when my anything. That's why we pack your money. Oh, bow. Oh, while the total one 60 to 100k pounds. Or maybe 10,000 already by you promote there. I could have maybe you what you know or with my support. I don't know audio running that for God bless you, Lolo. Yes. You understand? Audio running. No, that point. Or my support, internet transfer, my support to my family. God bless you. On your own, be beautiful woman. God bless you with a good heart. On my follow that from hand. Go, God. You don't understand what make we come out this evening. You don't for the husband heart. You don't talk say now, me buy the house. You don't get something here. Monica is the breadwinner of the family. Everything na me. Baby very na me. Do you know if even do na all of buy that house? As he said, my support to my family. He support his husband, not being only his husband, but he support his husband. He put that respect for the husband body. God bless you for that word. God bless you for that word. My support to my husband. I'm a traditional man. I know what they see for people speech when they make me call it talk. I will not talk about this matter. I they watch all of them when they do saga. The funniest person they praise Monique Lolo. For those who congratulate them, God bless you guys. You see those when they saga, you guys can never build a house. Even no matter what, these are the people who say they ride on their husbands. You understand? When even though that man, although the man is sick, he said, my support. You know, say, I bought my house cash like my beautiful sister, Monica. I buy my nyash car. I buy my Bekus cash. I buy my Kri cash. Everything I cash. To the end of the thing, turn to saga. But this one cash. And to the end of the see community car, people turn the whole thing to cash. because of with pride, ego. My sister, my brother, nobody they drag anybody with anybody for this live video. You see this glass now, my wife has indeed, and my house own. Eh? This beer now my own. My sister, you when they look me and you cannot come to claim this glass and this beer from me. So why I go call the lie? Wetin not be my own. I'll say that my own. Wetin I not buy, I'll say I buy it. Wetin I not get, I will say I get them. Just for we call wetin to feel proud. Don't make sense. You understand? I thank God for Lolo life. Congratulations to you, my sister. Congratulations to Monica. You congratulate me in 2 ways. The sincere one, not for Lolo, will show us better proof. See, I want to stress myself. Not be the one where you go to show us refrigerator, fridge, receipt. Congratulations for you, my sister. Because why? You are not honest. As a presenter, be honest to your fans. Be honest to your fans. They will love you more. They will be happy. They will be glad they have that zeal to support you. It's common sense, not common. I come here now. I don't come here, come brag for and say, I go give that woman 1 million. I go do this one. At the end of the day, I go inside, I go to drag myself. As I did, that's why they talk. That 500 cannot be say I don't get her. But I don't budget time for things. I don't split time. I want to go do give away tomorrow. I want to do this one 200k. People I do tomorrow by 500k for some markets. I will spend transport. I will do this one. I will buy cake. I share money. As I so my son for Nigeria, as I celebrate for here, he don't even wear clothes now. He don't be Sunday go church. You understand? He go see they celebrate. They go do kind things for us. They want to. I will see them to cook assist them for us. These are things where because I'm not a family man. I get 2 women. My son for Nigeria and my children for here. Unfortunately, I'm not celebrating alone. I'm celebrating my son here. Today is also my son birthday for here, which is on tomorrow. So I need to budget my life, my things normally. Yes, though I live a fake life. You need my way. Peradventure, my wife now is baking cake. You go do the cake, do everything. Of course, I mean bake cake, I mean do cake. Una not say bake cake normally. Every day, my way to tire life you to feel Wetin. Who want to impress? Who want to impress? Everybody don't wise. So let's don't do those secondary school dropouts when they follow you. They want to get sense. And you want to use all those things they deceive. Even with this, you don't know why. When I don't know why I don't know whether you buy or buy. Not there. Why are deceiving? Be honest with people. When I know people are nobody will collect. Or when we're posted, you're gonna end. And ending. You see not still working? Does that stop her from not making money? Does that bring her down? Who want to invite her in party? Would that stop them to invite her to a party? They will still invite her in party. She move on. You are the one following yourself. Don't play. You don't feel so? She move on. You don't feel so? It's very simple. Please, let's start saying it the way it is. This place will be peaceful for us to live. Oh, but more now, you bring me outside. Maybe but guy, if you know, say you bad, clarify the hair clearly. Now you first start time. Law is the second person, whether good or bad. Now you bring that initiative come out for upstairs. Yes, I give you kudos for that, Monica. For bringing that initiative, I've buy my house cash. Kudos to you, bro. Don't play. You understand? Whether real life or fake life, kudos to you. Now, but recently, what we see here today is legitimately, we can't go to argue about this one. This one, what we would argue about, say, go. Waiting concern lawyer and bank and whatever. You know, the one you have shown, okay, good. Okay. Congratulations, you do buy ammo, you not buy ammo. Monica buy, you not buy, you live for UK, I mean, UK, street, you know the street now, as it is sleep, waiting my head for inside. I don't want to drink. I want you. Understand? But the reason of coming out is to tell you guys, stop the bullying of Lolo. Why bullying? All you just need to do as a content creator, just come out, use and do phone. Now because I don't see people around me, well, go help me the whole camera. That me and my wife got a cash crew they have. This children they are too young to do all these things and they go school. You understand? And the reason the cash crews. Only I won't go back. So I go Holland, I go UK. Yeah, UK. Oh, we let go smoke me. Oh, what I want UK market. Only my UK. And then my day I was not paying the social media. I did my house cash. I did my house cash. Even my wife I buy a cash. Understand? So my sister, I with all these things. They don't buy. Una they see and they renovate, they relocate, they renovate. It will be the stress. No need of arguing. If we saw the UK, ni marry ebo, ni wiya ebo yan ewo. Yan ye wun dem UK. Yan ma dey okay with UK. When I see people matter, they go put them away like Ghana, they hawk. They go the hawk. But today, they are both get the whole street for UK. They be like people they live in abject poverty. Hungry one kid, they know. If you see, they know. You might do a robbery guy. But that thing the UK, that thing go to UK. You marry Jesus Christ in UK. You marry Charles, King Charles in UK. Saga, don't play. When they get within the title, so you see who this really happy with them. You see who they celebrate with them. You see who they mom with them. Please, I'm the baby now. I'm mad at my Frankie where right from day one. When you might change. You think how because me and person they quarrel. Person insult me, bully me. If I see truth, me I cannot talk on. My father don't even train me like that. I will tell you the truth finish. If we want to go fight ourselves last time, we'll go fight. We'll go dig on. My camera. This time, the truth is said, although we clear is people should just celebrate her. Why I got there with name man, even no man, what even name man, it's not good. You know they make me like when the truth. I don't like people like that. Also, don't make me more see. I don't get friend. I don't feel they follow you now. You call they do things like wish. You see Wetin good is because they turn out to be bad. I don't like them. That's why I don't get friend. My wife wish so. She got to understand the kind of person I be. She was so smart and intelligent to fastly understand the kind of person we are. Be sharp. Oh, don't bias. What's if you don't stress? No, let the woman be. I beg. She don't buy a machine enjoy a new house. Just like when they saga me when I marry. They don't let me enjoy my honeymoon. My honeymoon turn to saga mood. Now one solo can back. No, almost so. One room marriage to come to baby. They call you one room marriage and say, baby, don't watch my room marriage again. Don't watch one room marriage. They affect confess. One room marriage. You are so baby. I confess. She don't go laugh, man. Is that being an artist? I don't need that. Hello? Hello? Yeah, I did live video.
Okay, well, I'm finishing it. Now, why teaching it with me?
Okay, no problem.
But we're still.
All right. Well, I know this. What the moment I see now? Brother, stop. Yeah, saga made they born. I can. What can we know about? Oh, we are going to solve by a gift. A gift from the heaven one on. Gift from God. So what a gift, better gift. Not go put on. You understand? So my lovely people, for me, please. I use God beg now. One on the sagala again. Yeah. For in her, for our new house, one on the love better thing. One on the congratulate better people for what they achieve for life. Yes, now. You know it's easy to buy house for abroad. You know the qualification, you know the criteria. You will never buy, you know if you know. Go acquire, you know the criteria what they will give you. So even rent house, to get criteria to rent house. Not talk about to buy house. So if you see who do you will not credit the doings to mentally, because definitely like for abroad instrumentally, they pay small. No me as that one saying buy home for cash. That my sister will there for also you. You understand? See, so they pay for instrumentally small. You understand? But the other thing shock me because these things will show many sense to people with the UK, with the UK. People have been in UK for years and they work, they never buy a house. These immigrants will come from for whole land come UK. Then they show that they buy house. So people with the UK, this one has sense for them. I want to buckle up. If you guys are playing, don't play. Do something. Get an apartment, get your house for yourself, and start paying. Pay your mortgage. You know what I'm saying? It's very important. You feel me? Those that they tell you say, one of the church now they buy house, so this one they call the cash crew. So if they use all the play for media, who will kill now? I'm a joke. One of the say I preach better pitina, say I'm better person. When I use all play, I never buy. I call it just now buy house. Very low. I may bug when I buy all. Don't be joke. I don't mind drink. I want you. Because the matter UK is wakela UK ni one winner. 2020 wala UK, 2021. Wakela UK be announce yare o, yare avec the two news no are o land yare UK o. Why are you school? Odo apese wa lo wa bo. So ma lo wa do wa o. La go da wa mi. Ra no wa do wa. Iye no wa do wa. One there. No work me there. Yes, work no make like you boy. You dey vitally ma o dey ni do wa o bu. Money vie mo yo mo am yo gba ko ba wo yi. That's my prayer. So don't play. Congratulations to you, my beautiful sister Lolo Anu Johnson, for your new house, for your new achievements. You understand? So also to my sister Monica, because why? I don't we can have another hack is away. It is Monica competition that make you to buy house now. God bless Monica. God bless Lolo. Like when I talk now, go to saga and say, go to fight myself. I not be my friends. I not be my enemy. Who do well, I go prison. Who do bad, I go prison. God bless me. At least Monica buy house, she get baby villa. Auntie, fire down. You seem to go work on baby villa. Very important. I don't know competition. Why is there me? I go congratulate to Natalia. Monica, the baby villa mama. I agree with you. Congratulations to baby villa. No, you may be villa. Only cannot. Somebody will at all. When I stop my fight too, as God has blessed me, they achieve small. When I stop all my bad boost, when they live real life, investor. Fake life cost now, you don't know for real, not easy to live fake life. I say now I could live when you was a mess. Even when I live fake life. But me, if family was from Nigeria, you know I live fake life from a big boy, you know me. I was in a woman area. One you will make Balona, you never know any man who Arewa. I want I said, oh, yeah, I don't know for you got a take a easy call. I want a miss call. Yes. You might have one of many minutes and will you alone. You go around the water me. And then I said, that was some bomb. The man no, I would never ask and shall be given. No one, I don't want to ice cream. Ice cream, why you look. I want to get any. Bolo, you are rude. I can't ballet. Anyway. Wonderful. Hello? What up, man? Off with we read that video.
Because when I lay outside down, I'm not to wait a little mouth. Bless you, acting a ring, ma. But when I do one, yeah, congratulated. One time, Rita, I don't know if you had more open cocopiri, mother foundation. When the query am with Rita, let you get cocopiri, I said, yeah, I'm a Jamie. Every time I want the story pan already, or give my up to one. Where any Rita will say class, we carry the over.
Oh, what do you know? Anyone?
Every time that's here, just your man can tell you why. Every time I tell you, I will be one day. No, if I call it, we are to fear. We are Gioma. We come out, we rally, or waste of fire, you know. We ain't not doing what we shower. Oh, when I'm with Anabula, when I go to one shower, we are at Maseko, is where Maseko. When the Rita give, we are more. For my life.
Where's my sister? Okay, Rita, yeah, as a guy, Lolo. Then that final balance. Agree to know. A woman not telling so no kill the you fear. For real. If Felicia we come and or get the mural. Yes. Felicia mural Jewipuna. That's true. And they are both family. But a little night mural. A little more deported. I want deported. Don't balance the mother baba. It's a balance mother government. It's a my own. It's a couple of talking. It's a my own. One get jealous someone. Understand? Or in a Roman second, get jealous is second your age. Why the Rita? Rita is a lost charge. It's a lost charge. I'm not weave on you know. If we saw no marry Kokobiri na Ogmano, yes. For specific reasons, they got married to foreigners and they are enjoying their marital home and they are sound mentally. They are not depressed. Rita is depressed now. Rita. What my hand? Maybe when Rita, they won't tell her university. Rita can marry Kokobiri. What makes her to marry Kokobiri? Or it's a story anymore. No, he has never started story on media. After having children for different nations, rainbows. That's the year of rainbows. This guy we are trying to illustrate somebody's story's lifestyle. Or we talk about it. Maybe in Nigeria, the first woman that have child for me, which is my son, my first child. He lives in Nigeria. I got married to her traditionally, caught in Christian ways before I got her pregnant. Or be my first child. You understand? Agree to. Oh, for a good live video, Papa. What up? Don't walk for a good solo good. What up? Exactly. Exactly. Charlie. Of your baby. God bless you. Charlie, my brother. Doctor, oh yeah, police and we are doctor here. Police ready. Oh, what that boy? Yeah, eh, does she was there?
I've got seen here. I've actually Kokobiri. They pretend me, they pretend me. I will bring you.
On your target, baby. Ah, get baby, yo. What? Back me. Do I want to?
Every time I have to ask down in Bogua. Only I am the top. We remember the really like that without money. Others is very money. The person was following your family, do or worrying. I am not better.
What, brother?
Mama, what is the way to the world? I always congratulate. When you read the night to a place like it.
Yeah, what is there? Yeah, he was Jimmy. What is that?
Me, you have a pattern to celebrate and you can have that guy. When you matter, you know, when I don't know everything you do.
Yeah, he was Jimmy Baba. What is that? Yeah, he was Jimmy. If you're back. I agree with you.
Are you paying this about the madam? We are to get again. Oh, yeah, the four plastic.
Then they for my boy fool.
Oh, yeah, right. We wait for them. We can go
I might see my brother. What? So somebody about. I must greet you. I fancy when I what you get me one and not fit by me with laugh. But the truth has to be told, you know what I'm saying? That's the truth. And what I get that by time. I'm going to take back home. I'm buy more than him. Already start to work me. Already is too much. Our nuisance is getting too much. Am I getting retired when you over here do? Over here go, it's not a track. It's not Zimbabwe citizen. You should go to Zimbabwe platform and start constituting nuisance. You should leave beneath cyberspace. Rita belongs to Zimbabwe platform. You should go to Zimbabwe platform. He has never bring out Zimbabwe people down on social media. That coming to beneath cyberspace and become a nuisance to Benin people. You say you love Zimbabwe. You go with Zimbabwe and leave Benin people. Company for the transition. Go with the Zimbabwe husband. Leave Benin cyberspace. Zimbabwe not get cyberspace. Zimbabwe don't do live video. Zimbabwe don't do live video. Leave Benin cyberspace. Go to Zimbabwe long bowler. When you leave short bowler, we be short prick. Now God ten bless us. Leave Benin people. Go to Kokobiri for the transition platform. Cyberspace. When you go to Saga there. You don't remove the teeth when they tie you. Go to Zimbabwe cyberspace. You do marriage, nobody. Make I show you the video where for do my traditional marriage. Pal of fool. The pal of von. Both my family and for the family of the woman. Pal of fool. They introduce themselves. Egbonona, Egbehano, Egbona, Egbosawe, no senior. That is traditional marriage. You introduce the family. The Kokobiri, who be the spokesman for Kokobiri? Who was the spokesman? Who was the Okaibe? Who is the Ozukbo giver? Who is the Yomu? Who is the Eromo of Kokobiri? You lost child. Your family has known you as abandoned projects. That's when they give you to a foreigner. Go and live Benin people. Stop prognosing into Benin cyberspace. Rita Kokobiri, stop prognosing into Benin cyberspace. Me, I'm married the day. That same day we are married. So The family, they know me, know my family. The family know their family. We know each other. We live in the same village. If I lose God, I fuck up now. My family go. If family go home, ask my family. What you want in here? Before your papa go enter motor, whether even not wrong to motor where they goes the back way, they don't break. I want to know when I see what you are saying. With what saga no dog where my dad, where other job center, you did government house for Germany, you not buy, you the saga will buy. Because you get it with type of mass, or you don't lose. I do my beer. After talking, before you go talk to me for this media, go and marry Benin man. Before I will take your word to be relevant, no matter how you scatter ground rich, no matter how you scatter, before you go talk to me where, go marry Benin man. Now you, your family not do okay. Your brothers are cultists for Nigeria. You are the only person for the family where your father regard. Now you, this Rita, is the only child of the family that the father respect because he's the breadwinner. Because he's the breadwinner. The rest of the is a courtesy. Lolo, congratulations to you. Mean that myself. Almost already congratulations. Moi congratulate you legitimately from the bottom of my heart. And not only correctly, me and my household at large. Giving you this congratulations from me as the mouthpiece of the family, as the head of this family. And congratulating you. Congratulations for your new house. Whether not fake or not real, we are congratulating because with the evidence we saw on media, we are consistent with that. I'm okay. I'm legitimately congratulating you because you are a wise woman. There's sometimes they work. If you work, I will still beat you. Now maybe this one, it might be okay. But for the now, Alpha, congratulations because I marry you, beat me. And okay. Okay. You get right to beat me. I cannot beat you. And if you like, call my wife, jump, remnants, chop and leave. All the, I don't know, chop and, no problem. She is a virgin to me. All things are past, all things become new. But she, with what I know and what the family has told to me, she's not coming and broken door also. The wisdom of not do. So I'm okay with it. So anything when I come out, also I agree. But she no longer do that again. If now what I think, she's the best among all to me. So I do my drink and wine. Yeah, I don't know. Why me no man? What? Honestly, I'm so wow. That's why the hatred. Say the way it is. They shock me. Say Rita the Sagalolo. Rita, no matter the Wayobu. Go baby wife. Why? Oh, should do that. You don't know how to do that, baby girl. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to do that, baby girl. So you are a Cocobilly fertilization. You don't have to do that. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to do that, baby girl. You feel me? You feel my vibes? You understand? No, for real. Let's call it a spade. You know what I'm saying? She don't have to do that. What's wrong with that TM, bro? She don't have to do that. What's already? I love you guys. You guys are the best, y'all. Yeah, you don't feel my vibes. So now, so yours feel. Why is that way we done? Why they give me no water? When I talk with you, Wetin be? Lolo try. I don't support bad thing. And you know, man, and then Roji, I'm happy and I drink beer. I get gin here. You feel me? So I get gin here where I go stay months for all of matter. You understand? Because to buy house for abroad no easy. This one I'm not gonna say go bring house, go bring house. Because they brag. Lolo came out saying don't buy house. It shows us evidence. Bravo, 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 bravissimo. Correct, mama. You correct. You try, yeah. I will tell you the truth. You try because when you give up, you not call it those only Benin people. Stop pork nosing to Benin Samba space. Rita Kokobiri. Stop pork nosing into Benin Samba space. Me I'm married the day. That same the day we are married. So the family know me, know my family. The family know their family. We know each other. We live in the same beginning. If I lose God, I fuck up now. My family go. If family go home, ask my family. What you want in there? Before your papa go enter motor, whether even not wrong to motor where they goes the back way, they don't break. Now, I want to know when I see what got I want to. But what saga no dog where my dad, where other job center, you did government house for Germany, you not buy, you the saga will buy. Because you get it with type of mass, or you don't lose. I do my beer. After talking, before you go talk to me for this media, go and marry Benin man. Before I will take your word to be relevant, no matter how you scatter ground rich, no matter how you scatter, before you go talk to me where, go marry Benin man. Now you, your family not do okay. Your brothers are cultists. For Nigeria, you are the only person for the family where your father regard. Now you, this Rita, is the only child of the family that the father respect because he's the breadwinner. Because he's the breadwinner. The rest of the is a courtesy. Lolo, congratulations to you. Mean that myself. Almost ready congratulations. Uno be call Moi congratulate me legitimately from the bottom of my heart. I'm not only correctly, me and my household at large. Giving you this congratulation from me as the mouthpiece of the family, as the head of this family. I'm congratulating you. Congratulations for your new house. Whether not fake or not real, we are congratulating because with the evidence we saw on media, we are consistent with that. I'm okay. I'm legitimately congratulating you because you are a wise woman. There's sometimes they work. You work. I will still beat you. I mean this one. It might be okay. But for the now, Alpha, congratulations because I marry you, beat me. I'm okay. Okay. You get right to beat me. Cannot beat you. And now. If you like, call my wife, jump, remnants, chop and leave. All the adorable don't chop and, no problem. She is a virgin to me. All things are past, all things become new. But she, with what I know and what the family has told to me, she's not coming and broken door also. The wisdom of not do. So I'm okay with it. So anything when I come out, also, I agree. But she no longer do that again. If now what you not think, she's the best among all to me. So I do my drink and want you. Okay, I don't want. Why me no man? What I? Honestly, I'm so wow. That's why the hatred. Say the way it is. This shock me say Rita the Sagalolo. Rita, no matter the Wayobo. Go believe wife. Why? I will show you that. You don't know how to do that, baby girl. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to do that, baby girl. So you are a Kokobili fertilization. You don't have to do that. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to do that, baby girl. You feel me? You feel my vibes? You understand? No, for real, let's call it a spade, you know what I'm saying? She don't have to do that. What's wrong with that TM, bro? She don't have to do that. What's alright here? I love you guys. You guys are the best, yeah. Yeah, you don't feel my vibes. So now, so yours feel. Why is that way we done? Why they give me no water? When I talk with you, Wetin be? Lolo try. I don't support bad thing. And you know, man, and then Roji. I'm happy and I drink beer. I get gin here. You feel me so? I get gin here where I go stay months for Lolo matter. You understand? Because to buy house for abroad no easy. This one I'm not gonna say go bring house, go bring house because they brag. Lolo came and saying they'll buy house. It shows us evidence. Bravo. This Simon. Correct, mama, you correct. You try, yeah. I will tell you the truth, you try. Because when you give us, you not call little saga. Come give us proof. They give us certificates. They give us a fridge receipt. My sister and God bless you. You not stress everybody. Who say you not try to go kill him? Oh yeah, soon. Who say you not try to soon? Yeah. I think saga. I only can saga family saga. Equity a body problem. My life doesn't like insult. Master.